Look, go in there. I have an idea.
Don't tie your shoe.
This thing is freaking playful.
I told you that was a good idea. I think this one's a little.
I told you the mom there was 7 puppies in that litter.
Wow.
And the mom's only 4 pounds. If the mom would be able to handle it. And she said that she would separate them. She'd put 3 in a pile and 4 in another pile. And she said that she put them all together.
You're like, this is my kind of fun. You're one playful little puppy, aren't you?
Yep, I know. When I take her down there, I'm going to reiterate many times that she cannot go outside by herself.
You come back and all you have is a
Oh, she's almost cleaning the world again.
Oh no! Timber! She likes the grass.
See y'all later.
Why are you eating a brick?
Cute little dog.